We're at the Moto Idea Conference in 2023. And now with me is Michael Fischer from the company which is
11 Dynamics.
11 Dynamics.
Very happy to be here.
What do you do in 11 Dynamics?
So 11 Dynamics is a startup, and in our sector we are the first startup since 25 years. So based is our core is metrology, and we go more and more to different applications. Means we have built a software, and it's, I would say, the YouTube of automation. That means we want to have a free access, and we can do any robot, we can do any hardware, and we can build a solution out of it. It's one software and a perfect package, and you get this, and with this package you are enabled to do any robot, any hardware, and you can connect to every software. Means you can do to KUKA brands, you can connect your cover brands, you can use Leica, you can use whatever you want.
So it's very universal.
Absolutely.
Okay, you're not. You don't have any like full stops. You don't have anything which can stop you from doing your work. You can just put the same sort of software, arrange it to different machines, different devices. So how many people can use such technology?
I would say the most necessary customers is the tier 1 segment and the OEMs. And of course you can go to several industry like the automotive, aerospace. But I think the good way of working with this software is to find places like Poland and to work with strength of partners. That means we want to have partners speaking the local language, drinking the local beers, being present. And this is what I think we can grow in much more sectors, but this always depending to the region. And in this case, we're working together with Envision in Poland, which is a quite common company. And I really like the way of pitching that into Poland. And I think from now, this is a product everybody needs in the future, because I think automation is clear the future.
Okay, so we've got Envision, as you said, and we have Exact Systems. So how is the cooperation between those companies going?
I think very well. So, I mean, they are searching for the same segments, and I think they have the same target customers. So I think it goes hand in hand. We have also the company RCE with us, who is more on the integrator side. So, I mean, that's a little bit the tricky thing with our software. Our software always needs hardware, and that is the combination, which is super strength. And what I see is a fantastic network, fantastic people with fantastic solutions, and I would say Poland, for me, that's a quite place to be for the automotive business in the future. That's perfect to be here.
Okay, so that's good, because we were at the Moto Idea Conference. So how do you see the future of Poland, of Polish automotive industry?
I would say we have a lot of pressure from Asia, and I think that's good, because if there's someone leading it and you change the whole business model, you need much more power on that. And what I see, Poland is super strong. You have strong people, you have a strong market, you have strong installations, and I don't see so many lazy young generation guys. Everybody wants to do something, which is great.
We're active, right? We're active.
Exactly, and this is why I'm super happy to see this growth, especially in the automotive sector. And I would say Poland could be the best country for the tier 1s, and that's where we see that most application also, yeah. And many parts are delivered, and in the past it was always tier 3, but they deliver to tier 2, and then to tier 1, and then to the OEM. And I think they can go directly now. That's the future.
Okay, but this sounds like almost too bright for me. So where's the catch? Like, is there any sort of potential problems that can happen?
I think so. The most problem is the quality, and this is exactly what we want to help with. Is I mean, before they just produce it and then they deliver to the next tiers, and during that process they're missing sometimes the quality. And I would say the power of that is the quality, and I think there's a lot of improvement for Poland to bring better quality. And for that you need technology. And this is why, as what I see here with all those partners like KUKA and like these big brands here, they are there and they can provide technology. Once you start using that, once you start to investing into that technology, you will become the lead.
Okay, so I hope that the future will bring the better cooperation and the better technologies that we can use. So, thank you very much, Michael. That was a pleasure to talk with you as always.
Thank you so much.
And let's see and hear ourselves very, very soon.